Okay, we got Noah right here on a snowboard, and we got Julia right here. It's 2013, December 23rd, I think it is. Okay, and we're snowboarding. There's Jules. There's Noe. Here goes Noe. Get lots of speed. Go get that powder, Jules. Keep that edge. Woohoo! No, wait! Hey, big guy. Julian's going to do a little bit of powder on the side there. Be confident. Don't use your body. Use both of your legs to push. Push with both legs and push with both legs, okay? Don't twist your body. Hit the powder, dude. Don't worry about it. Go, Noe. Wait up, Noe. Here comes Jules. Use your full body to turn, Jules. Okay? All right. You're doing good. What's that? I don't understand. What? Okay, well, we'll go take a rest. Come on. Take it easy down here, okay? And we'll go rest. All right. Make it good. Oh. What? What's wrong? Which one? Loosen it up a little bit. Okay. There you go. Don't worry about it. You're doing great. No, you're doing great. There's no difference with today and yesterday. Come on. Jump up. That's all right. Should I go? There you go. Go around me, Noe. Go around. Go ahead. Nice one, Jules. You're viewing beautiful. Beautiful, man. There you go. Keep carving. Okay, that's all right. Jump up. Okay, you need to get down to the bottom of the hill properly. Make the turns, okay? Come on. Use your whole body. Don't twist it. Don't lean in too much. And go back out. That's it. And make the turn. Make the turn again. There you go. Make the turn again. Make the turn.